Ngijabule kakhulu ukuthi size sifike kule stage leSecaf ukuthi sodlala ifinal. I think senze kahle kakhulu as a team ukuthi size sifike kule stage, and kumele senze sure ukuthi siyafika ku-final and make sure that we work hard and win it. Kumina ne-career yami, I think achievement enkulu kakhulu. Baningi abantu abalifisa leli thuba, but ngoba ngilitholile ngizokwenza sure ukuthi ngiyalisebenzisa, and I'm also happy, ngijabule kakhulu and ngiyaziqhenya futhi ngomsebenzi engiwenzile and nomsebenzi owenziwe i-team. For i-team engange-Kaizer Chiefs, I think yiyo enye yezinye izinto deserve ukuthi ibe kuzo, like final ye-CAF. So I think senze kahle as a team, and I'm sure i-family ye-Kaizer Chiefs nayo ijabule kakhulu. Ngoba futhi sizobe singa represent i-Kaizer Chiefs kuphela, but sizobe simele nezwe lonke lase South Africa. I think umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu lo, ne-support esizoyithola nje from abantu base South Africa bonke. Siyajabula kakhulu ukuthi ba supporter, and sizokwenza sure ukuthi siyabajabulisa. I think Alali i-team strong, but I think si prepare kahle as a team. Team spirit phezulu, sizofika lapha kwi-final and sifike senze sure ukuthi we fight and get ama results amahle ukuze sizojabulisa wonke umuntu ose-South Africa. To ama supporters we-Kaizer Chiefs and whole of South Africa, thanda nje ukuthi siyabonga for i-support enisinika yona. Niqhubeke njalo nisupport, and sizozimisela senze sure ukuthi siyanijabulisa. Amakhosi for life.